I'm Ken Ward from Elettromedia, and I do international technical marketing. And a lot of my job is flying to different countries and different parts of the world and training our dealers and training our business partners on what is changing about mobile audio, because mobile audio is more complicated than ever before. So today I'm telling you about something new from Elettromedia, Elettromedia Academy. This is an online tool that will help our dealers and our business partners keep up with what is changing, both with cars and with our products. And the Academy is broken into 3 different categories. We talk about our products. These are the things that we sell. We talk about processes, which are using the things that we sell. And we also talk about the principles underlying these products, which is how the products work. So all of the courses in the product section describe products that you can get from Audison or from Hertz. And these will tell you the features and the functions, and these courses are perfect for people that are in retail sales or system design, or people that are our partners in field sales. So if you want to learn the product that we are in business with, these courses are perfect for you. The next category is processes, using those products. And a lot of the processes courses are about DSP and bit processing. So if you are an installing technician and you want to know how to correct for D-time or D-phase, you want to know how to tune a vehicle, you want to know how to use the latest in software from BitDrive, the processes section is what you need. And finally, we have a section on principles, which I am very excited about. We have courses on the basics of audio and the basics of sound. And if you want to know how things really work and understand audio, which can be very confusing, we have courses for you. So if we come out with new software, we don't want you to wait 6 months for someone to be able to fly to your part of the world to explain the new software to you. We want to have a course available for you immediately on the Academy so that you can be ready to use the software the next day. And this course will be available in several languages. It will automatically translate for you. And the system is a responsive website. You can view it on a PC, you can view it on a phone, you can view it on a tablet. Everything conforms to the device that you are using to make it as easy as possible to get the knowledge that you need. So if you're a car audio professional and you're a Hertz or Audison dealer, then we have the tools you need at Elettromedia Academy. So contact your Audison or Hertz representative in your market to sign up. And I look forward to seeing you at the Academy online.